Stop scrolling. What if I told you that one single dollar could unlock bigger, stronger, and healthier plants all summer long? No fancy tools, no garden degree needed, just a kitchen leftover and a simple freezer tray. Most people have no idea this even works, but once you try it, you will never go back. Because something as ordinary as an ice cube might be the secret your plants have been waiting for. In summer, container plants struggle. The sun dries them out fast, and regular watering often misses the mark. If you pour water all at once, it rushes straight through the pot and takes nutrients with it. Too little, and the roots stay thirsty. But this $1 method gives them a slow, steady drink exactly when they need it. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need sitting in your kitchen. First, freeze regular tap water into plain ice cubes, no need for anything fancy. Then, each morning, place 1 or 2 cubes right at the base of your plant. As they melt, the water slowly seeps into the soil. This lets the roots absorb moisture gently over time, not all at once. No runoff, no root shock, and no water waste. This is perfect for hanging baskets, porch pots, or any plant that dries out too quickly. It even helps prevent root rot because the water does not flood the bottom of the container. But here's the part that surprises most people. If you mix in one simple step, the results get even better. This next hack takes that ice cube method to the next level. Crushed eggshells plus a splash of plain white vinegar. It sounds too simple to work, but it delivers a fast, natural calcium boost that plants love. And I will show you exactly how to use it. Start by saving your used eggshells. Give them a quick rinse and crush them into small pieces. Add about 1 cup of crushed shells into a glass jar. Then pour in just enough white vinegar to cover them. You will see it start to fizz, that is the calcium reacting. Let it sit overnight. By morning, strain the liquid and add a few spoonfuls to your watering can filled with plain water. Use this calcium tonic to water around the base of any fruiting or flowering plant. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, even flowering annuals, they all benefit. You will start to notice stronger stems, fewer blossom problems, and faster leaf growth. Here's why this works so well. Most people throw eggshells straight into the trash. But this tiny habit takes less than $1 and makes a huge difference in just days. Try it once, and it becomes a summer habit you will never skip. And keep watching, the final tip will tie it all together. Make this your Sunday ritual. Freeze your ice cubes. Prep your calcium water. Label a jar and keep it by the sink. It becomes part of your summer rhythm. Remember, potted plants do not pull nutrients from deep soil like garden beds do. They rely on you to keep them balanced. This $1 habit keeps your plants steady, hydrated, and thriving, even in the hottest sun. If your plants look stressed right now, give this a try for just 1 week. And if it helps, share this tip with one gardening friend. They will thank you.